What's up, everybody? I'm gonna revisit Stadium Club, 2018 Stadium Club. Um, I got this on sale at an incredible price, really. I know that people started kind of discovering that it was kind of tough to get a good auto out of this, but personally, I pulled an Acuna auto out of this, so I felt, like Stadium Club was pretty good to me. But now that the price has dropped, I thought I'd take another chance and just see. I mean, I kind of get it, but at the same time, I really like these cards. I like the parallels, as you've probably already heard people say, and the photography's good. So I'm a little surprised that the price dropped like it did. I mean, this is still a really good rookie class, and yeah, I'm just a little bit surprised that I was able to get it at the price I was able to get it. Let me just get these packs out of here. You do get 2 autos. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, they're both on card. So that's kind of a nice touch. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Beckham, Baez, Renfroe, Marza, Hernandez, Special Forces, Clayton Kershaw, Sandy Koufax. I don't think this is an actual black and white. I think I remember they had see, this card totally looks to me like a card from the 90s. That to me like takes me back in time. I really like the look of that. Anyways, I think if I remember correctly, the stamp was like orange or another color if it was actual black and white. I think. I do remember not liking this. Like, it's really hard for me right now to even read this name. That was one thing I didn't like, is that the silver stamp kind of blends in, and on some cards you can barely read it. Dylan Maples rookie, Austin Hayes, Cespedes, Garrett Cole, Don Mattingly. Here is a red Jackie Bradley Jr., Ted Williams. Great looking card there, just awesome card. And Arano rookie. Bauer, Pettit. Oh, come on. Encarnacion, Goodrum rookie, Duvall, a red Michael Fulmer. There is a Robles rookie, and Wade Boggs. Lester, Minter rookie, Will Clark. I like this one too. Will Clark, Maben, Kyle Seager, a Power Zone Ozuna, Merrifield, and Calhoun rookie. Barry Larkin, Cabrera, Chapman, Kemp. Here is a, oh man, yes, a Mike Piazza red parallel. That is super sweet. I did not have this yet, so this is a great pull for me. Andujar rookie, Mike Trout, and Nick Williams rookie. Man, that Piazza, that is a good pull for me. Because I had the base card, I did not have that parallel. Woodruff. Who's this? Dwyer. Dwyer, not Dwyer, Fowler, geez Louise. Greg Bird, Trevor Story, Justin Upton, Mike Trout, Never Compromise, and there's an Albies rookie. So a couple of good rookies pulled already. Sweet if I could get a parallel version of those. But right now I'm just going to be happy about that Piazza. Johnny Bench, Mark McGuire, classics there. Stevens rookie, Chris Bryant, Kinsler. Here is an Ozzie Smith. I don't think this was called black. It is another parallel though. Let's see. What was this? Was it Onyx or... Oh crap. It doesn't say there. I cannot remember. Redfall, first day. Yeah, it is black. Just black full. So I got a black Ozzie Smith. DeJong and Irina rookie card. Syndergaard, Ricky Henderson, Maeda, Brinson, red Garrett Richards, and one of my autographs is a Francisco Maeda. Now this is a nice auto. That is a good looking card. Not numbered, but I'm happy with it. I like this kid. Good looking card too. Alright, Jones rookie and Sandberg. Alright, let's get into the other half. Actually, clear these wrappers. Make room. Still got, without my regular filming spot, so just have to excuse the wonkiness. Frank Thomas, Tomei, George Brett, Matt Carpenter. There is a red Odor, followed by a red Bellinger Special Forces. It's the first time I've pulled a red version of any of the inserts. Contreras and Bob Gibson. Farmer, Freed. Who's that? Oh, Manea, Abreu, Fulton, I can't ever say his name. Votto, Never Compromise, Ozuna, and Simmons. Nolan Ryan, Clemente, Walker, Shoop. Here is a black Fetty rookie. By the way, these aren't that tough to pull. Pujols, Greinke, and a really good looking Dansby Swanson card. Awesome, awesome photography there. I want to keep this card just because I don't even collect Swanson, but I really love that card. Alright, Marte, Jeff Bagwell, Iglesias, a Piazza base, Alfaro red, and my other autograph is Chris Davis red. So I'm pretty happy with my autographs. This is number 250. I'm absolutely pleased with my two autos. This funny Pedroia with a huge glove, and Blackman. Yeah, it was maybe I should pick up some more Stadium Club. It's been pretty good to me, really. I know you shouldn't go back to the well too many times, but Jeter, Chipper, Richards, Bradley, Lindor, Dream Team. I mean Beam Team, sorry, not Dream Team. Marquez and Keuchel. There's 3 more packs to go. Hang in there, hang in there. Correa, Bregman, Fulmer, Odor, Special Forces, Buster Posey, Rendon, Pollock, and Godley. Darvish, Devers rookie. So that kind of completes all. Who am I missing? Rhys Hoskins. Seems like I'm missing somebody else. Another rookie. There's a Harper red. Nice little pair there. Here's my chrome card. It's Schwarber. So not bad. Hanley Ramirez and David Price. Last pack. Last pack. Tyler Wade rookie. Jose Canseco. Barnes, Bradley, Rodon, Power Zone, JD Martinez, Kimbrel, and Bogarts. This is my little stack of goodies. I'm absolutely okay with these autographs. Let's take a look at this. Yeah. Happy. Happy, 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 happy. Really happy. Yay. Mike Piazza says, yes, good job. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll probably pick up some more of this. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me open some more Stadium Club. Let me know how you did. I saw a lot of people complaining, and I assume that's why the box prices kind of dropped. But again, it's been kind of okay to me, so I got no complaints. Alright, everybody take care. I'll be back soon.